Includes pair of fenders, 24 by 6.5 by 2.5, and fender lines, 3/8x6. Protects gunnel and hull. Durable, marine-grade tri-laminate cover with double thermal bonded seams and polycarbonate grommets. Impervious to tearing and sunlight. 2-year replacement warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Used for Yamaha VX waverunner. I have used these about a dozen times while solo launching my Yamaha VX 3-seater waverunner and leaving it at the dock. They have been durable so far and saved my ski from additional dock rash. Bit bulky, but they do fit in the bow storage compartment with room to spare. Only struggle is getting the bow fender to stay in place, but that is due to the hull design really. I plan to add velcro to my hull to correct this issue. I recommend these.